Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Space Touch Jupiter and connecting it to your phone, plug the USB-C cable, then open the companion app. Once powered, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover the device. You should see a device named Jupiter XXXX. In the pairing list, tap to pair. Make sure to use your Wi-Fi credentials when prompted, because the device needs network access for cloud sync and firmware checks. If pairing fails, retry once before adjusting permissions. Once connected, navigate to Settings and run the touchscreen calibration. You do this by tracing the crosshairs until responses are consistent. Then enable the sensor suites, gyro, magnetometer, and proximity, so motions register correctly. Map up to 5 gestures to core functions, assign simple actions first, and test each mapping. You will notice responsiveness vary with haptic intensity, so adjust until tactile feedback feels natural. Make small tweaks, then return to the main screen to confirm every sensor and gesture responds. Finish by running the full diagnostic test to validate sensors and connectivity. This gives you a baseline for later comparisons. Save your personalized control profile to the cloud and also create a local backup in case you lose access. Test real tasks, navigate menus, execute map gestures, and confirm latency stays under acceptable limits. If you encounter issues, reboot the Space Touch Jupiter first, then rerun the pairing sequence. If problems persist, reset calibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.